Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. To my new and old subscribers, you are most welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make this delicious and crunchy chicken. After trying out this recipe, you will stop buying from the fast food. For this recipe, you will be needing your black pepper, salt, roasted chicken seasoned salt, soya sauce, 1 egg, paprika powder, ketchup, barbecue mix, and stock cube, cayenne pepper, soft chicken, milk, ginger and garlic paste. To marinate the chicken in a separate plate, I am going to combine all the spices, all the dry spices together. Give it a good mix because I want everything to mix together, not one-way mix. I will add the mixed spices to the soft chicken, mix to combine. Feel free to use any spices of your choice. For the wet ingredients, I'll be adding in garlic and ginger paste, soya sauce, ketchup, mix to combine. Add in the milk because it helps to break down the protein and makes the chicken become more tender. Mix to combine. So I will be marinating this chicken for about 2 hours. All you need to do to marinate is to cover the bowl and place it in the fridge. 2 hours later, I'm back to prep the rest of the ingredients. To coat the chicken, I'm using all-purpose flour, cornstarch. I'm adding some little stock cubes, oregano, seasoned chicken salt, mix to combine because I feel like adding them. But you can certainly coat your chicken with plain flour without adding any spices or ingredients. Now I'm done marinating the chicken. I'm going to break in 1 egg. Then mix to combine. I will place my pot on a stove and add in some vegetable oil, allowed to heat up. Frying time, it is trying to fry the chicken, so I'm just taking it out from the marinade, then place it in a flour. I will mix it very well and make sure it is properly coated. Then transfer to the pot to start the frying. I'm going to fry this chicken for about 9 minutes, checking it from time to time just to make sure it is properly cooked. And it is done and ready. This is what my crunchy chicken looks like. It tastes so delicious. Hope you'll be trying out this recipe. This was really good. MIRA'S KFC. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to follow this page, like, share, and comment. Remain blessed. Bye.